I term those people who went to meet at that voter region as a bunch of criminals.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Light need you say my senior aircon. Yeah, I mean, you say the incompetent one is here. And you know, and yes, surprising, but I did have Jenny said there a link I say businessmen or more they have to go all out to spend that kind of money. Emma egu enyuma means the same thing happened between 2012 to 2015. No one else happened no. And almost
2012 to 2017.
You see, and Ayɛka almost said they are still. I don't know. NDC one. I don't know. Maybe we should pray that God should just onyankopon baby omunam bi onyankopon bi asasi munomunko remuna Ghana ye hontoyen because omo kan hu bi na ye hontoyen no so because NDC has noted they thrive on ignorance, illiteracy and poverty. And they have succeeded in letting all their supporters say, "Woko school krana wu joining NDC. NDC bema waye as if we say you are drain akwa koto lagoon, you call it lagoon, and I would the empty head now they now. That's what NDC they will succeed in taking out the brains na nyankopon dia ma self drain no mako to atwe call it lagoon now unam hono mu empty head sa. I don't understand. So, up to now, if anything, Muse Mato Mark signing 17 power purchase agreement. Marco Amasa, you are still talking about capacity. Say your capacity as someone. And Kanyamoto Yeni no is still there waiting for you. Say at peak level, you use 4,000 megawatts. Now say the amount to Nina account no, maybe I find say 5,000 something. We have been telling you that it's not a matter of any capacity as them, any finance as them. Don't you know catch there and say, this car, and wasn't it in graphics so Makako a Dumsor ko ebeko my Mahama crack. After that, Dumsor is getting worse. Then you come back again. No Masamba Bekache was it yesterday and say they have averted Dumsor mude omakwako tofu. Who are you? Why now would deceiving? Who are you deceiving? So and now say who did boni na wamu bi na. You have gone 8 years na do wayade. He has tried to avert $12.5 billion we say your friend is saying energy cost na wo hono and na wager with 2.5 billion na man wa ba beto so afi de wanu dam wo de wo hu you see the Mahama ni NDC for mu ti say baby na yoka omu ya ade na yo mu gam de mu hato erade wo hu voice brumi wa na wo de wo hu keke e na apre no so hu this is what they do. You have come back to meet the same thing no we create you know now. Power purchase agreement, power plants now they are there. And now we see a capacity problem. And it's all light in the end. And your financial problem is all light in the end. They are telling you that you need to manage the thing, proper finance, be disciplined. Now and snap the light na eden eguswe so. That is exactly what Nanado no they were disciplined financially. And no mutimi maintaining what you say. Your management as manage it. Now their managerial skills no say ma bon muti abon bonti bon cause washa mu mase ekwadwo to amudi na ma the Ghana the whole Ghana tinu mutimi nya hwe so say manu gu ase. Okay, let me go to we say when say John Mahama me catch you say enye say me mpe na asemo. I don't like him and I will not hide it. I don't like him because he's one, a liar. Two, Trini kacha say obitrimu osumwa. What you say? The case obitrimu osum. The person walks around, smiles with you, pretend as if he has or maybe or the humility will be akatanahi. Nanso onyawa Bim, she said he can, yes. Obetimi ekukra ekuni pediane fi hon ma wunim so no ne wosre. That's exactly how John Mahama is. And I will not like him for that. I will not like him for that. How many times na papa will say, and can't say free SHS no oba obetwaso. They on the campaign platform.
Private schools crab account.
Can you imagine? No pia wo pa be dia de na wo ye otrufo wo twan trochere populace no na wo ba wasan aye wani bibia koso bia waye na no fitwa so onim de koso so tiase. And that is one thing I don't like about, and I will not like him for that. Now grandma Jane susu ono so ne de no so ni say oba minim say ema de we are advocates. Oba time bia is an advocate. And we were expecting, said the first female vice president of Ghana, no, you would come and advocate not for your party, but for the masses, those who are on the poverty line and those who fall below the poverty line. Ghana. And you are sitting there, what can one do? Education, a huge problem. Voice, only me, obian me by say, Oko Northwa. A lot of them can express themselves in English language. A lot of them. Is it not true?
It's very true. It's very true. You even look at the people in parliament. Haruna Idris before.
Yes. Why? Why? Because of the opportunity.
Free senior high school that was with them.
In free senior high school. And do you think Nana Donomo Oman Tanase and drink say Sadi we say yebe and son no deba? They thought about it. And they decided that baby a do no Ghana ye ni a system if identification system a betimi ama identify say way or any say because of senior your system here so much informal no inti wenum na enko wenum na nti what do we do? Let's let everybody go. So what you say na omu ye studies how to the extent to say omu hu se ebi mu ho no mokra na sebe suku atade kra ne empabo akra mpa omu be shaba school no kra no edin so tia say edin intinu he decided say me decided the school uniform ni enyoma be de ebeka ho, and that is how they brought this education. And NDC is foolishly going round telling us to say IMS for say free SHS crano in 2023 when we're going for IMF, they're telling us that it's poorly targeted. Poorly targeted in what sense? In what sense? When every data shows to say free SHS by our students are performing better. It shows, and it is clear, and you cannot change data. In any case, who are the people who went to meet in Volta region? The rich. They're the people who went to meet. Did they bring any representative from those below the poverty line and those on the poverty line? They didn't bring any representative.
Did they even bring students who are on the campuses?
They didn't bring anybody. And then research it's just for the optics. And you see, somebody was telling, I was listening to somebody was telling me, say people who practice semi-dictatorship, that is what they do. They're interested in going for forum and then forming committees and task force.
It's very true.
You already planned their thing and they do it for the optics, propaganda.
Like your neighbor next door, the next country. I don't want to mention the name.
Don't mind them, one. Don't mind him. And you see, like you said, free SHS, you see, when we talk about free education, it's just three key things. One, accessibility. Two, the quality and equality. And three is relevance, right? And when we talk about relevance, we're talking about jobs and how it's relevant to us, this thing. And that's exactly what free SHS and the education and another part was geared towards. They brought in TVET, they brought in STEM school, and these were things that were targeted towards relevancy in education, in accordance with our system and in future and how the world is moving forward. So this is what they did. And you get a couple of greedy headmasters and teachers. Omu de omu numu nko na ye omu de omu pese omu ko dwaso kota aponche be ya aponche krakra. Krono, you see, I term those people who went to meet at that voter region as a bunch of criminals and murderers. People who want to change the destiny of people, of innocent citizens. People who want to kill the future of innocent citizens. They are a bunch of criminals and murderers. Right? Now, what you say, what time say can see obi konkwa ena wekunu. If you change the person's destiny through your selfish interest, you are murdering the person. You've killed the whole future of that person, and killing the future of a person can affect the whole generation. So I term those people as a bunch of criminals and a bunch of murderers. Yes.